Creating a compelling resume is crucial when applying for jobs. Here's a concise guide. Choose a format. Decide on a format such as chronological, functional, or a combination of both. Contact information. Include your name, phone number, email address, and optionally your LinkedIn profile or portfolio website. Summary or objective. Write a brief, tailored statement that summarizes your career goals and what you can offer to potential employers. Work experience. List your previous jobs, starting with the most recent. Include the company name, location, your job title, and employment dates. Use bullet points to describe your responsibilities and achievements. Education. Include your educational background, starting with the most recent degree. List the institution, degree earned, graduation date, and any relevant honors or awards. Skills. Highlight your key skills and competencies, both technical and soft skills, related to the job you're seeking. Certifications and training. If you have relevant certifications, licenses, or additional training, list them. Projects or achievements. Mention significant projects or achievements, particularly if they relate to the job you're applying for. References. You can state that references are available upon request, but it's not necessary to list them on your resume. Tailor your resume. Customize your resume for each job application by emphasizing skills and experiences relevant to the specific job description. Edit and proofread. Carefully review your resume for typos, grammatical errors, and clarity. Consider seeking feedback from others. Use a professional tone. Keep your language formal and professional. Use action verbs to describe your responsibilities and achievements. Formatting. Use a clean, easy-to-read font and maintain consistent formatting throughout. Aim for a one-page resume for less experienced candidates and expand as needed for more experienced applicants. Save and send. Save your resume as a PDF to preserve formatting. When sending it to potential employers, use a professional email subject and body.